Chapter 35 at the Laundromat. Our character is a young girl studying at the university. She is a big one in the family, so she has to help her mother in the household chores. Today is school holiday, and so she is free. Therefore, she asks her mother, "What can I do for you?" Her mother replies to her, "There are a lot of dirty clothes. Please take them to the laundromat. It is not far from her house." So she puts all dirty clothes into the big basket and takes it to the laundromat. It is not far from her house, so she goes there on foot. At the laundromat, she divides the clothes dark or light color, and then she puts the dark color clothes and white color clothes into their respective washing machine. After that, she pours some super detergent powder into the machine, and then she switches on the machines. She pours some coins into the machines. When the machines are doing, she is reading a newspaper, as she is an avid reader. After a few minutes, the machines finish the washing. So she takes all of the clothes out of the machines and puts them back into the basket. And then she takes it to the drying machine and puts them into it. Then she adjusts the buttons and she puts some coins into the machine. When the machine is doing, she restarts her reading. A few minutes later, the machine finished. So she takes all of the clothes out of the machine and puts them back into the basket. And then she goes back home. At home, she divides all clothes as father's clothes and mother's clothes and etc. After that, she irons them one by one and piles them up systematically. Finally, she puts them into their respective cupboard.